Hello there guys and girls, good morning. There's another beautiful flowers in here. So amazing. You know what guys and girls, I couldn't help myself being amazed with this God's creations. I don't know what kind of flowers are this, but it's so awesome. So cool. And there's also in here guys and girls. So amazing. Enjoy it with your bold eyes, guys and girls. Bye for now.